Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this approved used Audi RS6 Avant Vorsprung. This particular vehicle is also finished in the optional Navara blue metallic paintwork, which is really giving that standout road appearance. With this being the RS model, it does mean it comes with a 4-litre twin turbocharged V8 petrol engine, which produces 600 PS and 800 Nm of torque, taking you from 0 to 62 in 3.5 seconds. Moving on now, looking at the key features, with this being the Vorsprung specification, it does mean there are additional options such as the panoramic glass sunroof, the gloss black rear diffuser and the gloss black front grille as well. Moving towards the front of the vehicle now, we do find these fantastic digital LED matrix headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Now looking down towards the alloy wheels, we find these exceptional 22-inch titanium matte gloss alloys, part of the RS range. They do really stand out against that blue paintwork. To the roof now, we find the sliding panoramic glass sunroof, which has let in the natural light into this interior. It does also create a lovely contrast with the blue and the black. Moving in now to the rear boot space of the Audi RS6 Avant, where we do find up to 565 litres of storage capacity. It's a large amount for a performance vehicle of this size. This can easily accommodate 2 larger suitcases as well as a few additional bags. Now moving into the rear seats, we find a full RS Napa leather interior with the RS honeycomb pattern in the centre. Besides this, there is a leather centre armrest which is folded down to present 2 useful cup holders. There are Isofix points neatly located across the back row. With this being the Vorsprung model, it does mean heated seats are available for those rear occupants. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed and sporty cabin with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, carbon fibre and Dynamica. With this being the Vorsprung model, once again we find the sliding panoramic glass sunroof, which is let in that natural light, as well as the RS embossed full leather seats. Above now we find the virtual cockpit display, which has featured a central sports rev counter. This screen can also be adjusted towards your navigation, telephone connectivity, radio stations and vehicle information. To the centre of the dashboard now, we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, which has featured the satellite navigation as well, and does allow access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below this now, we find the equally impressive digitalised dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and there are heated and cooled seat functionalities either side of this for both front occupants. To the screen above once again, we find the reversing camera as well as the optional 3D 360 surround view, making the vehicle much easier to park, especially in the tighter spaces. So thank you for watching this video of the approved used Audi RS6 Avant, which is now available at Stafford Audi. For more information, please don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly sales team.